Hey everyone! So if your Google Calendar events are not showing the same on your phone, tablet, and computer, yeah, that's a sync problem. I'll show you how to fix it in 2026. First, make sure you're using the same Google account on all devices. Now enable Calendar Sync in Android or iPhone settings. Check Sync settings inside the Google Calendar app. On desktop, make sure Chrome Sync is turned on. Refresh all devices to load the latest data. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If needed, remove and re-add your Google account. And finally, update the app to fix bugs. And that's it. Now you know how to sync Google Calendar across all devices like a pro.